Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This is mathematical challenge 8. We have to solve and find x, where 2x plus 4 factorial of 2x plus 4 is equal to 120. Okay. First of all, we can write 120 as 5 multiply 4 multiply 3 multiply 2 multiply 1, means it is a product of 5 4 3 2 and 1. So if you write it here, we can write as 5x plus 4 factorial equals to 5 4 3 2 1, or I can write it as 5 factorial. The value of 120 is 5 factorial, so we have replaced 120 as 5 factorial. Now 2x plus 4 whole ka factorial is equal to 5 factorial. If we remove factorial both sides, remove factorial both sides, what we get is 2x plus 4 equals 5. Now if we subtract 4 from both sides, we get 2x is equal to 1, which means x is equal to 1 by 2. Now if we try to check if this value is correct or not, then first we will put our value in this. So if we get the value 120, that means we have done it right. So let's put x is equal to 1 by 2 in the question, 2x plus 4 factorial. So this will be 2 into 1 by 2 plus 4 and factorial of 1. This will be 2 will cancel out 2. This will be 1 plus 4 in factorial, which is 5 factorial, and 5 factorial is 120. Hence we have verified that the value of x is 1 by 2. So this was the simple solution of our problem. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you have already subscribed, please like and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.